Question number third. Solve the following linear pair by graphical method and find coordinate of points where lines representing by them cut y-axis. In this question, we first draw graph help of these linear equation and we find where line intersect y-axis. So start this question. We first write this linear equation in term of y. On transposition for minus 5y on right hand side we have 5y 2x plus 4 as it is. Y equals to 2x plus 4 upon 5. We make a table and we know that a line have infinite point. We take only 3 points. First negative, second origin and third positive. So we write here minus 2, 0 and 2. This equation say 1. Put x equals to minus 2 in equation first. Y equals to 2 minus 2 plus 4. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 4 upon 5. 0 upon 5 we have y equals to 0. Again we put x equals to 0. Put x equals to 0 in equation first. Y equals to 2 into 0 plus 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5. We have 0.8. 0.8. Again put x equals to 2 in equation first. Two into 2 plus 4 upon 5. 8 upon 5. Y equals to 1.6. 1.6. Again we solve second equation, write in term of y. Y equals to 8 minus 2x, equation number second, and make table. And choose x equals to minus 2, 0, 2 and y we put x equals to minus 2 in equation second. We get y equals to 8 minus 2 and put value of x is minus 2, minus minus plus 8 plus 4, 12. Y equals to 12 when x equals to minus 2. put x equals to 0 in equation second, we have 8 minus 2 times of 0, that is 8. We write 8 here. When x equals to 0, then y equals to 8. Put x equals to 2 in equation second, y equals to 8 minus 2 into 2, 8 minus 4, y equals to 4. We draw graph help of these table. Draw graph. X-axis x dash x, y-axis y, y dash and origin. We take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. We first represent point minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 this and 0 this point, and we say that a minus 2 comma 0. 0 comma 0.8. Let 0.08 here, b point 0 comma 0.8. 2 comma minus 2 comma 1.6. 2 here and 1.6 approx here. He said that this point C 2 comma 1.6. We join these points. And labeling this line 2x minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0. Again next line minus 2, 12, minus 2 here and 12, minus 2 comma 12. We say that this point is P. 0 comma 8, Q point 0 comma 8, 2 comma 4, 2 here and 4, we say that R point and 2, 4. We join this line. And labeling this line 2x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. Write scale on x-axis 1 unit equals to 1, on y-axis 1 unit equals to 1. Find solution. Here line intersect each other at one point. Solution of linear equation. We draw perpendicular on x-axis and draw perpendicular on y-axis. We have x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. The solution is x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. We find line where cut y-axis. This line 2x minus 5y plus 4. 2x minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0. Cut y-axis at this point, and this point is 0, 0.8. Next, 2x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. Cut y-axis at 0, 8. Our answer.